Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. In this episode we will analyze a movie scene between a grandfather and his daughter, and he's telling her about Alexandria. So, let's go! In order to have a background about the scene, as I told you, this is between a grandfather and his daughter. His daughter has been living abroad for a long time and just went to Egypt and returned back to Egypt, to Alexandria. And she is talking with her grandfather, and he is trying to tell her about Alexandria and tell her the secrets of Alexandria, that she will not be able to know Alexandria from the media, like the culture. So we all know it. You need to immerse in the culture and talk with people. So this is exactly what he is telling her about Alexandria. You cannot know about it just from the internet, from the news, but you need to immerse yourself in its culture, and this is the only way you can know it. So let's analyze together this exciting conversation.
اسكندرية عمرك ما هتعرفيها من الإنترنت.
Our first word here is Iskandariya, and Iskandariya is Alexandria in English, okay, from El Iskandar, Alexander the Great. So Egyptians and Arabs say Iskandariya, not Alexandria, but Iskandariya.
اسكندرية عمرك ما هتعرفيها من الإنترنت.
عمرك ما هتعرفيها. This expression is very important. So عمرك ما or عمري ما. When we say عمري is age, okay, age or lifetime. And عمري ما as an expression, it means I will never or you will never hear. So عمرك ما, you will never. تعرفيها is from the verb يعرف, which is to know. So عمرك ما هتعرفيها, it means you will never know it. Okay, so تعرفي, this is to know. تعرفيها, so the ha at the end is a pronoun that goes back into it or Alexandria. So تعرفيها, it means know it. So عمرك ما هتعرفيها, you will never know it.
اسكندرية عمرك ما هتعرفيها من الإنترنت.
من الإنترنت. Internet here is an international word, and we say il-internet in Egyptian. So if we want to Egyptianize any word, just add the alif lam, the definite article, to the international word. So al-internet or el-internet, okay, like el-computer, el-internet, el-cinema, and so on. So min and is from. So min el-internet is from the internet.
ولا هتشوفيها من بلكونة.
ولا هتشوفيها, okay? When we said هتعرفيها, this is the future tense. It started with ha, okay? And if you want to know more about the future, you can sign up to my accelerator course, where I cover everything about the Egyptian dialect. So it's a conclusive course with Zoom sessions on Sundays, and extensive curriculum, and free ebooks, and so much more than this. You can check the link in my description box, and also you can sign up to my free course as well. You'll find the link in the description box and also in my first comment. So هتعرفيها here is you will know it. هتشوفيها, you will see it, okay? You will see it. So ولا هتشوفيها, it means and you will not see it, and you will not see it.
ولا هتشوفيها من بلكونة.
من بلكونة, okay, من بلكونة. And the بلكونة here is an international word actually in English. It's called from balcony, okay, from balcony, بلكونة, okay, بلكونة. So we say بلكونة in Egyptian, and also we say تراس, okay, so بلكونة and تراس, we say this in Egyptian. So من بلكونة, it means from a balcony. So the sentence here, you will not see it from a balcony.
ولا هتشوفيها من بلكونة. اسكندرية عشان تعرفيها.
And then he continues and tell her اسكندرية عشان تعرفيها, okay, عشان تعرفيها, in order to, in order to. عشان here it means either to or in order to or because. In this sentence in particular it means in order to. So عشان تعرفيها, in order to know it, تعرفيها, to know it.
ولا هتشوفيها من بلكونة. اسكندرية عشان تعرفيها لازم تمشي فيها.
لازم تمشي فيها. لازم it means must. You must, okay? لازم, you must. لازم تمشي, and تمشي is, yes, to walk, exactly. تمشي. لازم تمشي فيها. لازم تمشي فيها. You must walk in it. فيها it means in it. It means you must walk in the streets of Alexandria. So لازم تمشي فيها.
اسكندرية عشان تعرفيها لازم تمشي فيها. تقربي من ناسها.
تقربي من ناسها. To get closer to its people. Okay, ناس is people. تقرب is from the verb يقرب, to get closer to. Okay, to be near to something. يقرب from قريب, close or near. Okay, يقرب to be near, to get closer to. Okay, تقربي من ناسها, to get closer to its people, its inhabitants.
تقربي من ناسها. تسمعي أغانيها.
تسمعي أغانيها. يسمع is to hear. يشوف is to see. Exactly. So تشوفيها من بلكون. تشوفيها, to see it. تسمعيها, to listen. Okay, to listen to it. تسمعي أغانيها, and أغاني is the plural of أغنية, which means a song. Okay, أغانيها, its songs. Okay, to listen to the songs that were composed and produced in Alexandria, so it will tell you a lot about its history, its traditions, and everything about the people. Okay, تسمعي أغانيها, to listen to its songs. Okay, that was it. I hope that the conversation was easy for you to follow and that my analysis was also easy to absorb. If you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to look at the description box to see the courses they offer, the accelerator course, the free course, and know also my online shop and all the ebooks that are there. And if you have any question, I am there in the comments section. You can tell me or ask me anything anytime. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.